Rightio, servo install on the tip itself. So these little plastic mounts for the servo are included with the servo, the DS09, Hyperion DS09, they're included. I made up the, or I cut out, sorry, the plywood plate that they're sitting on. I think there's a photo of that further back in the thread. Oh, I guess if you're not looking at this video from RC Groups, then it's on RC Groups Vixen thread, Vixen 2 thread. And once that was all installed, I put these braces in to tie the top and bottom skins together. They got carbon on the back of them there. That's just balsa wood, about 3mm, 1/8 balsa with carbon laminated to the back of it. That's about it. Thickness wise, I measured the distance here, top skin to bottom skin, 11.7mm, so 12mm. So there's a fair bit of room there. What I will make a note of, and there's no point in me showing you those because that's pretty much standard fit out, but what I will show you is this. We've got 47-ish mil, 47mm-ish there, and oops, sorry, not 47mm there. So it is a bit of a tight squeeze, a bit of a fiddle. Looks like it's 10mm smaller, or thereabouts. Yeah, about 10mm smaller. 3/8 of an inch smaller in both directions, that way and that way, the whole size. So yeah, a little bit fiddly and stuff, but you could work it out. It's not that hard. So that was the question. That was the servo install and the depth or the thickness. I assume that's where you wanted the thickness cane measured. I suppose while we're on the video, I'll just do it here. We got out at the end of the aileron. The wing is, whoops, see, I'm watching the wing and not the video. 6mm at the end of the aileron. There I go again. Alright.